You really thought I was gonna let you win, huh, Doris? Not today. 6 annual wins. That's no more. Not with me in town. Oh, Billy. You're still up. You caught your grandma at a bit of a precarious moment. Your grandma's not gonna clean up right now. Put that over there. But I'll come over to you. Hold on, be patient. I'm old. Alright. Would you like a bedtime story? Alright, a win's a win. We will celebrate. Let's see. Alright, let's see where we left off. I think it was Lake Tahoe, perhaps? Yeah, here we are. Wow, look at that, Billy. So this was the point, the boys got together and they finally were able to get some relaxation. They were on the road for a number of days, and this was that first time. It was magical, as your grandfather told me. But look at that. This is something in particular called a Corona. And now you won't really understand yet, but when that sweet nectar touches your lips, it makes some kind of moment and sensation. You're not gonna understand. We'll talk about that later. Wow. But here, oh, another haiku from your grandfather. It reads like this. Finally a bed. Happy birthday, USA. Fierce ping pong battle. Wow. And now that boy, he always loved his Coronas. Let's carry on. Now this was actually the 4th of July. Look at that. Take a closer look. Go ahead. See that?
Hi folks. Today's a very special day. And it's a very special day because it's the 4th of July. And we've made it here to Lake Tahoe for our last stop in our road trip. And we've seen the beautiful flavors and nuances of the West Coast of the United States. So what better way to celebrate and finish off the trip with a classic American breakfast? This is Party Pete's Party Kitchen. So what I have going here is just your classic good old bacon. I think every American breakfast isn't complete without some crispy bacon. So I started frying it up. And what's on the menu today, you might ask? Other than the bacon, we have some scrambled eggs, which I'm gonna cook in the bacon fat to carry those flavors into your mouth, and it's just gonna be delightful. We also have some multi-grain toast, hash browns, and avocado. So while these puppies are cooking, I'm gonna come on over here and you know what? I'll get the hash browns started. These are your Simply Potatoes shredded hash browns bought at the market for $3.49. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your flame going. Okay. And we'll let those simmer up. This bacon looks just about done. Just the way you want it. We'll add some more to the pan because we're serving 3 today. That'll do. Very important, folks. to keep your kitchen clean as you go, because a clean countertop is a happy countertop. What I'm saying. Let's slice our avocado. Why don't we? Now, fun fact about avocado. It's really it's good for the skin because it's moist, and I don't really know why, but I know it's good for the skin. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna slice and dice down the middle. So when we scoop it out, we'll make a nice fillet of avocado to throw right on top of the toast. Set that aside for now. All right, so everything here looks like it's in good shape, and we will be right back to show you the finished product. Stay tuned.
Keep the focus on me. I see you moving the camera. It's gotta stay stabilized. I swear I'll never stop announcing the ping pong tournament. See the ass on that? Oh, there he is. Come on. Maybe filming from that side. The lighting is way better coming in. But what kind of fucking bullshit cinematography schools you go to? Where do we even fucking get? Unbelievable, you piece of shit. The moment we've been waiting for, folks, is Nick Taylor versus Buford. Right now.
The time has come, folks. The time to plate our food. And this, personally for me, is my favorite part of serving your friends and family, because you can really display what you created in the kitchen in a glorious way and just make it look delightful for the people enjoying it. So I put on our scrambled eggs. We'll give a little bit of the hash browns here. Okay, come over here, grab a piece of toast. Al dente for Dylan. Our bacon laid across. It's all about composition, you know? It's all about putting an inviting plate in front of the consumer's face, you know? 4 strips of bacon looking nice, and our final touch, our avocado. Pre-sliced, so all you gotta do is just get in there with a spoon, scoop it on out. Do you want it on your on top of your eggs or your toast?
Toast, sir.
Okay. And there we have it. Party Pete's party breakfast for 4th of July.